here. See, there's a little tiny lip there. So what I need to do now is, which I haven't got, but that's okay. What we'll do is place another tack there. And you might see that there's a little hole there. Now, hopefully the whole idea of the tacks. And so then I can give it that bit of a curve. Because of that little flat. yeah, that's just basically got the shape that I need, and that I can always get there and tack the rest of this in and then cut where I don't need and then slot it in. But I'd like to do that basically off the car, make it easier so I'm not cutting too much, too far through. And that. So that's just a little bit of another way. If you haven't quite got the tools to shape the metal, and that, now you can see that that's got a curve there because I've been set this little bit here. This section here will be a little bit tweaking it around a little bit. And that, same with this little section here. Try and get that in there, curve that a bit more. But it has the basic curve shape there that you need to continue it around. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to leave this one for now. Finish this video up. I will make another one when I finish, go along and tackle the whole lot up and grind it all back and show you how the finished stuff. Yeah. Alright then, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to jump over to the Facebook page and like the Facebook page for updates and photos and all that sort of stuff of the progress work as well that isn't videoed. And yeah, cheerio.